Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I have a short little episode for you. It's a milestone episode. Just a few days ago, I eclipsed the 5 million view mark for my channel. I'm really excited about it. It's taken me almost 5 years to get to this point. I started my channel back in end of November of 2013. It's been an awesome ride. I wasn't always consistent back in the beginning. Been a little bit more consistent now. And I think my mom is responsible for about half of those 5 million. Thanks, Mom. I think Jim and Jay probably are responsible for a lot of those as well. Thanks, guys. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys tuning in to my channel and making comments and doing requests and being a part of the show with me. I really appreciate it. I look forward to all your comments. Also, again, make sure if you have any suggestions, any recipes you'd like to see me make, put them down below and I'll try to get to them when I can. I have a long list so far and I'm trying to get through those as well as do my own ideas and things like that as well. Once again, thank you so much for being a part of this show In the Kitchen with Matt. I've enjoyed making it these past 5 years and will continue to do so. So here's to another 5 million views and beyond. Next milestone is 50,000 subscribers. I'm pretty close to 40,000 subscribers. So 50,000 subscribers and 10 million views. That's my next milestone I am looking forward to. So make sure to tell your friends and family all about the cooking show In the Kitchen with Matt. Once again, my name is Matt Taylor. This has been another episode. Thank you for watching. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.